Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shamir, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for joining me again today. You guys, I saw these kids' Halloween costumes in Marshall's, and of course, I had to show them to you. You know why? Because they are perfect for someone. If you are looking for a costume that is going to be easy to just throw on that won't break the bank, Marshall's has you covered right now with some of these costumes. Now look, I am the type of person where sometimes I don't want to do way too much when it comes to Halloween stuff, okay? I want to be able to throw something on or throw something on the kid and go. And these are perfect. You don't have to put on that much stuff when it comes to this. You can literally put on just regular pants and a top and then throw this on top. And how cute are they? I mean, the donuts, the popcorn, the french fries. As soon as I saw those, I had to show them to you guys. Now, another thing I like about these costumes is even the ones that are like more of a costume, like a full-on suit or outfit, look at this, you guys. It comes with all of the extra little accessories to go with the costume and make it a complete costume all in one, okay? So as you can see there for the firefighter's costume, they have the hat, the little axe, all of that, the little extinguisher. Now, how nice is that? And look at this, the Spider-Man costume is only $19.99. I feel like that is such a great price for a Halloween costume because, you know, we're only gonna wear this probably just the one time for the year. So why break the bank on making a costume, okay? And another thing I liked about these costumes that I saw at Marshall's was the fact that right now they have multiple sizes, okay? So as you can see here, this character costume, you know, they have to be, you know, correct with it, okay? I guess they don't have the licensing to say that this is Snow White or anything like that, but they have characters. So you can kind of judge and, you know, make it fit whatever character you think it resembles. But anyway, like I was saying, they have different sizes. So they had some of these little dresses in like the little bitty sizes. You're gonna see one coming up for like the babies that are only a couple months on up to like toddler sizes and stuff like that. So yeah, I feel like there was a nice little bit of options for you to choose from. It wasn't a ton of costumes in there, but I mean, it's Marshall's. It's not like a full-on Halloween store. It's not like you're shopping at Fear Halloween for a costume. But it's definitely somewhere that you want to check out if you're starting to shop early or starting to get ideas for a costume early. These are definitely worth giving a look. That's why I wanted to show them to you today. And also worth going in store and, you know, have your kid try on, see if they like these costumes. But like I said, what really caught my eye were the ones at the beginning of the video, like the donuts and the popcorn and all of that, because you really can just throw it on, put their little arms and stuff in there, and you have a super cute costume. That's something different and creative. These dresses were really cute too. Now this one in the back, it did have like a little stain on it. I think someone actually stepped on it. But yeah, I mean, just so much nice stuff to choose from, and they are nice and full costumes too. Like the dresses are really nice. So yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick look at these kids' Halloween costumes in Marshall's. If you did, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on the bell notification so that you're notified whenever I upload, and share the video with one of your friends or family members who may be looking for Halloween costumes for their kids as well. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.